Hello everyone, I'm back with an interesting video and I'm back with a new biology series. I'm really excited to teach you the functions of the cell organelles because it is really interesting to learn the functions of different cell organelles present in the cell. In the previous episode, I have taught you the different organelles of the cell and different parts of the cell. Yes, and I told that today I will explain. In next series, I will explain the functions of each cell organelle. Yes, so that is what I am going to do now. In this video, I am going to teach you different functions of different cell organelles. It's really interesting, guys. Watch this video till the end. You learn a lot about the cell. It's really interesting, guys. So let's get started into the video. So firstly, we are going to learn about functions of cell organelles. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn about functions of cell organelles. Yeah. So first let me write the list of organelles. The list of organelles I am writing now. After writing the list of organelles, I will teach you the functions. Okay. So firstly, cell wall. The cell wall will be only present in plant cells. Okay. The cells which are present in plant. Okay. Cell wall. Cell membrane. Okay, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm. Yes, cytoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes. Lysosomes, ER. What is ER? Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. And SER. In this endoplasmic reticulum, again there are two types: SCR, SER, and RER. SER and RER. What is SER? Smooth. Okay. Smooth endoplasmic. Yeah. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And what is RER? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, and the next, chloroplasts. And these chloroplasts only will be in plant cells. Okay, will only be in plant cells. Okay, so these are the different types of cell organelles. And yeah, Golgi apparatus. Okay, Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex or Golgi body. Okay, and plastids. Okay, this chloroplasts also come under plastids. Okay, there are three types of plastids actually we will learn in this video. So these are the these are the all cell organelles present in a cell, and some organelles are present only in plant cells, even plastids only in plant cells or PC. Okay, so like a cell wall, chloroplast, plastids, like this. Some cells, some cell organelles are present the nicknames. Okay, nicknames of different cell organelles. Okay, the nicknames are really interesting that you will really enjoy them. Okay, and also we'll have an FAQ, question and answers, at last of the video. You have to answer it in the comment section. Please answer in comment sections, because if anyone did not understand the video, they can understand clearly with your support, with your answers in the comments. Okay, and the people who didn't understand my video, please post it in the comment. I'll really try to make the video more understandable. Okay. Yeah. So firstly, let's talk about cell wall. Okay. So cell wall. What is cell wall? Provides. Okay, I'll give you a mind mapping. Cell organelles. Firstly, cell wall provides erectness for the cell. Cell membrane. One minute. Let's draw like this. It will be more easy. Cell membrane. What I can write the function is, selection of the required substances. Can you see the full whiteboard? Yeah. Next, nucleus. Nucleus takes responsibility of the cell functions. Okay, it takes the responsibility of the functioning of the cell. And next, lysosomes, the most very important organelle of the cell. One of the most important organelle of the cell is lysosomes. What we can say that? Releasing poisonous, harmful enzymes. I'll tell you why it releases poisonous, harmful enzymes. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. And next, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Anything is same. Okay. Golgi body, Golgi complex, Golgi apparatus. Three are same. Okay. Golgi complex is synthesis of proteins. Synthesis of proteins. I think you heard this synthesis somewhere. Yes, it is nothing but photosynthesis. Okay, I'll tell you the meaning of that. Okay. And next, ribosomes. Even this synthesizes the proteins. Okay. Golgi complex Golgi complex is transportation. Okay. Yeah. Golgi complex is nothing but secretion. And next, ribosomes, synthesis of proteins. And next, ER. I'm just studying the short form. ER is nothing but endoplasmic reticulum. Please understand, okay? ER of two types. RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. It synthesizes the proteins. Okay. Why it synthesizes the proteins? I'll tell you that. Okay. Synthesis of proteins. Next, SER. What is SER? Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And this has two functions, which is synthesis of lipids. I'll also tell you what are lipids, okay? And next, transportation. Transporting the materials. Okay? Transporting the materials. And next, plastids. One of the major role. Plastids. And there are three types of plastids, as I told you. Chloroplast, leucoplast, and next, chromoplast. Okay. Chromoplast. What is the functioning of chloroplasts? Chloroplasts traps the solar energy. Traps the solar energy for photosynthesis. Okay. Photosynthesis. And next, leucoplast. Leucoplast stores storage. Okay. Storage of leucoplast, storage of different colors. Of a plant. And next, the chromoplast. Chromoplast helps chloroplasts for photosynthesis. It helps, okay? And next, last one is mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. What is the function of mitochondria? It plays really a major role. The function of mitochondria is generation of power. Generation of power for the cell. Okay, these are all functions visible to you. Okay, yeah. So it's really a big mind mapping. It's really a big map. So just copy all the functions. And next one is really interesting because I tell you the nicknames of the organelles, and I will tell you the meaning of photosynthesis, and I will tell you why endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the proteins. Okay? Yeah. Anything to tell you more? Yeah. And also I'll tell you why lysosomes release the poisonous harmful enzymes. Okay? So just copy all these fastly. Next, there's an interesting part for you. Yeah. Just if you didn't copy, just back the video and pause and write. Okay? Nucleus, king of the cell. Yes, king of the cell. And next, mitochondria. Powerhouse of the cell. Okay, powerhouse of the cell. Next term, cell membrane. And cell membrane has two nicknames. Cell membrane has two nicknames. What are those? Plasma membrane. Okay, plasma membrane and selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. And next term, lysosomes. Okay, lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags of the cell. So yeah, only these four organelles have the nicknames. Okay, so now I'll tell you why lysosomes release the harmful enzymes, and I'll tell you the meaning of photosynthesis, and I'll tell you why endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the food proteins. Okay. Yeah, so meaning of photosynthesis. So why this name given for the preparing of food material of the cell? Yes, the process of preparing a food material for the cell is photosynthesis. Why it gave? So first let's discuss about what is photosynthesis. Okay. So what is photosynthesis? Let me draw one time. Okay, so what is photosynthesis? See the leaves. Leaves are in green color. Yes, the green color what is present in leaves traps the solar energy. Yes, it traps the solar energy, which is chlorophyll. Yes, the chlorophyll traps the solar energy. Yes, and it synthesizes different glucose food material, starch, and produces to all the parts of the cell. And in leaves prepare the food for the plant, which is a glucose, starch, energy, etc. Yes, so different leaves. Yes, different leaves traps the solar energy. Yes, so when leaf traps the solar energy, it prepares the food material. Okay, so this is what the photosynthesis is. Okay, so firstly let's talk about the sun. I know you already know all about the sun. It is also called a star, not that one. See, sun produces some sunlight. Yes, this sunlight contains photons. You can't photons. Okay, so each photon is really small, it can't be visible. So each photon does not perform any action, but 100 crore photons, 100 crore photons, really it shows a great effect after the leaf of the cell. Okay, one photon does not show a big effect. It can't show a big effect. But each photon, if it multiplies to 100 crore photons, it really shows a big effect that it can prepare food. It can create glucose, starch. Yes. So when prepare starch, it produces to all plants of the body, all parts of the plant. Okay. When food is over, okay, like for example, you had lunch. Okay, your mother cooked more rice than how much is sufficient. There will be some rice left over. How much it is over, it will be left over. Yes, same like that. Some food will be left over. This food will be converted into fruits, vegetables. Okay, so the food glucose starch which is present in fruits or vegetables, yes, it is produced by the leaves naturally. Okay, so it is more healthy to eat natural fruits directly plucking from trees. It is very healthy. Okay, so yeah, this is what the photosynthesis is. See, photons, from photons, photo. Okay, next is synthesizing. Synthesis. What is synthesis? Producing. We already studied about synthesis of proteins, synthesis of lipids of different cell organelles. Like smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the lipids, and ribosomes synthesizes the proteins. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, it synthesizes the proteins. Like that, synthesizing is nothing but producing. Okay, releasing the protein, the releasing something. Synthesis is nothing but releasing. Okay, so photosynthesis, photons are released. Synthesis means releasing or producing. Okay, producing, let's take producing. Photons. See, photons are producing. Yes. See, in lower classes we studied sunlight helps. Only sunlight helps in the photosynthesis. But it is correct. But there is another correct statement involving that statement. Photons plays a major role for photosynthesis. Okay, photons plays a major role. Okay, so I think I have understood about photosynthesis. Let's move on to another topic. Why lysosomes releases harmful enzymes? Yeah. Why lysosomes release the harmful enzymes? See, when cell, there will be some certain lifespan. See, for humans, there will be certain lifespan like 100 years, 120 years. Yes, and for ants, bees, there will be certain lifespans like 2 years, 3 years. Yes, every object has every living thing. Okay, non-living things leave it off. Every living thing has a lifespan. Okay, every living thing has a lifespan. So see here, even cell has a lifespan. Okay. See here, its death is there. Okay, if it comes till here, near to death. Okay, if it comes near the death, let's take it is almost it's going to die. It's almost going to die. Yes. So for example, our lifespan is 100 years. If 99 years passed, we say that yeah, she's going to die. Yes. lysosomes produce harmful enzymes such that it can go faster near the death. See here, when it is near the death, okay, when it is near the death, it can't function properly. Yes. See, for example, let's take you are 99 years old. Can you walk properly? Can you drink properly? No. See, if I'm old, I can't do anything properly. I'll be shaking like this. Yes. So even when cell is near to death, it can't function properly. The organelles which are present in the cell can't function properly. In that time, if cell can't function properly, these lysosomes releases harmful enzymes to kill the cell. Okay, so don't think that here lysosomes plays a bad role. No, it really plays a crucial role because the presence of cell which can't function properly is unused, is waste. Yes, so these lysosomes release harmful enzymes to kill the cell, and this cell will be transported to spleen, which will be here, around here it will be. Okay, the dead cells will be transported to spleen. Okay, yeah, these cells, dead cells, will be transported to spleen through a pipe. These spleen, the dead cells which are present in spleen excuse me, will be transported to kidneys. Okay, the dead cells will be transported to the spleen, and the dead cells which are in spleen will be transported to kidneys. Those kidneys will function, and it sends to the bladder and will pass the motion. This is what the total life process of the cell is. Okay, and again new cells. What are where the new cells come from? The new cells come from the pre-existing cells. Okay, the new cells come from pre-existing cells. This theory, which is explained, new cells will be formed from pre-existing cells, is called cell theory, which is proposed by Visco. Okay, Theodore Sheldon and Virchow proposed this cell theory, which explains new cell was formed from pre-existing cells. Okay, so this is what about lysosomes. I think you have clearly understood. And next, and this is why lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the cell. Suicide. Yes, the organelle which contains self suicides itself. Yes, so that is why lysosomes are called suicidal bags of the cell. Okay, what does a suicidal bag contain? Harmful enzymes. When that bag bursts, finished, the cell will die. See, that is why you have to not eat much. If you eat much, the food will be transported to Golgi complex. Okay, this Golgi complex transports to lysosomes. Okay, see, first it will be produced to mitochondria. Okay, why? So the help of the food, it can generate power for the functioning of cell. See, you want to run in the running race, you need energy. That energy is produced from mitochondria. You need more energy. Okay, so that energy is produced from mitochondria. Okay, in each cell there are 15 to 20 mitochondria. Okay, not mitochondrias, no, mitochondrion. The plural form of mitochondria is mitochondrion. Okay, so in each cell there will be 10 to 15 mitochondrion. Okay, so if we compare all throughout the body, there will be some crores of mitochondria. Okay, so yeah, so first the food will be transported to mitochondria. Yes, so that mitochondria produces the energy through the help of the food. Through the help of that food, yes, the food which is extra, okay, which is unused, it is transported to Golgi complex, and this Golgi complex at the waste food which is transported by the mitochondria is again transported to lysosomes. Okay, so that is why lysosomes contain only waste material. When waste material is it is increasing. When waste material is increasing, it will burst. Yes, see, anything has certain capacity to hold. If that capacity exceeds, it will burst. Like balloon, if you blow more air into the balloon, it will burst. Yes. So in the same way, lysosomes, when waste material transported, like that, it will explode. Okay. See, it becomes bigger in size. When capacity is exceeded, it explodes, it bursts. Then the harmful enzymes will be released, cell will die. Okay, so when extra food is there, it will definitely it will be die. No, extra food will be, it's okay. For some extent it is okay. If you eat more extra food, cell will die. Like that, if 100 cells dies, you will get sickness. You will be sick. Okay. 1 to 2 cells up to 99 cells, it is okay. If 100 cells die like in this way, not in a it's near to death, lysosomes releases harmful naturally. No, like that. Let 1000 cells may die like that. No problem. But if lysosomes burst to the because of extra food and cell will die, like that. If 100 cells dies, finish. You will fall sick. Okay. Okay. So, anything for telling you? Yeah. So, why ER, endoplasmic reticulum, synthesizes the proteins? See, structure of endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, not smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum will be like this. Okay, somewhat it will be like this only. See, this endoplasmic reticulum contains like small dots on its surface. Okay, small structures on its surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, let me draw them. Yeah. So these turret dots are nothing but ribosomes. So what is the function of ribosomes? Synthesis of proteins. So as ribosomes synthesize proteins, so ribosomes are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. So whatever the function ribosomes does, same function endoplasmic reticulum does. Rough endoplasmic reticulum does. Yes. Whatever the function ribosomes do, the same function will be carried out with the endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Yes. So that is why rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes the proteins. Okay. So yeah, that is all about it today, guys. Hope you enjoyed a lot. I think this video is very interesting to you. Yeah, knowing the different cell organelles. Yes, nicknames of different cell organelles. So I think you really enjoyed. Yes. So if you enjoyed this video, just hit the like button below the video, which will be in the form of. Okay. So and next, a main thing, please subscribe my channel for a very interesting video, educational video, knowledge video, which will be really interesting for you. Yes. If you have comment section. Either I will reply to that comment or I will make a separate video for the doubt. So just subscribe my channel for the interesting, educational, knowledgeable videos. So that's it today guys. Thanks for watching. With a leave, signing off your logical brilliance.